Who wants to see a magic trick? A magic trick gone wrong? Well, here goes nothing. Hey, everybody. It's me. Welcome to my channel. This is a tall, striped hat cat causing playful chaos in a 1950s style house. And these are the two kids that are watching him. They're siblings. This is the little sister, and she's just moved into this new place with her big brother, and he's showing her around. They found this cat, and now they're gonna watch what he does next. Oh, look at him go. He's gonna knock over that vase of flowers. Yes, he is. He's knocking it over, and then he's gonna take a little taste. No. That was our first vase of flowers that we got for our new house. Oh, well, I guess we'll just move on to the next room and see what he gets into in there. Oh, wow. So not only can he walk on walls like a gecko, but he can also jump really high like a kangaroo. But now he's getting into some of the Christmas decorations. Oh, no. Not the Christmas tree. Please don't mess up the Christmas tree. He's not messing up the Christmas tree. He's actually just taking a little peek at the star on top. He doesn't want to touch it. He's just looking at it. So cute. But now he's coming over to check out the Christmas presents underneath the tree. Oh, man. Here we go. Is he gonna tear into the presents? Is he gonna start chewing on the bows? No. He's just taking a little peek at what's under the tree. He's such a good little kitty cat. Now he's gonna go check out the rest of the house. He's gonna go through the little doggy door. Right into the kitchen, where he's gonna get into the cupboard. Oh, no. What are you doing in there? Come on, buddy. We don't want you to get into the dishes. That's not very good for you. You might break a plate or a cup. Yeah, let's get out of there before he gets into any more trouble. Let's go back to the living room and see what he gets into in there. Oh, man. So he found one of the kids' shoes, and he's batting it around. Now he's gonna try to jump up on the sofa. Can he do it? Can he not? He almost had it. He just barely missed. Oh, so cute. He's trying to be just like a little tiger, all fierce and strong. But he's just a little kitty cat, and he's just playing. He's going to come over to the Christmas tree again. He likes the Christmas tree. He's gonna knock it over. Oh, no. He likes to knock things over just to see what happens. Just like when he knocks over the vase of flowers. But he doesn't mean to break it. He just wants to see what happens when he bats it over. He's a curious little guy. Just like a little kid. And now he's gonna go check out the fireplace. Oh, yeah. The fireplace is his favorite spot in the house. His human will come and cuddle with him in there sometimes, and he loves that. He loves the warmth from the fire. And he loves the sound that the fire makes. It's so relaxing to him. And now he's gonna go lay down right in front of it. He's gonna lay down right there. Oh, yeah. He's just so tired from all that playing. He needs to take a nap now. And there's no better place to take a nap than right in front of a fireplace. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Cat in the Hat. If you did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe because we have a ton of fun videos coming up. See you next time.